So good morning everyone, I hope everybody is doing fine. So I'll be presenting the screen in a while. Confirm everyone if the window is presentable or not. This is chapter number 2 test for class 10th. I hope the screen is clear to everyone. Now kindly start off with the test. There are altogether 10 questions. Start off with the test and let me know if you have any issues in understanding any questions. For the timing, I'll pause the video. And students who are watching this video online, make sure you try out this numericals properly, and right after 30 minutes we'll just start discussing the solution to this. I'm pausing the video. Achha, now how many are done with at least 8 numericals? Bodhishwata is done at least with 8 numericals. How many else? Shomujit? Saptarishi? Saptarishi, how many numericals done? Arkanil, Guara, all 8 numericals done? Oh, sorry, all 10 numericals done. How much, Saptarishi? Somojit, Shubham, how many numericals are done? Trideep, Anantajit, Devashish, Joyrishi, Arkanil, and Bodhishwata. Bodhishwata is done with 8 numericals. Agnik is done with 10. Can we start discussing the answers now? Lahiri is done with 8 numericals. Chalo then, we'll start discussing with answers. Students who could not complete till this much, no issues. Everyone will confirm their answers and the way that it needs to be done. On the screen everyone, are we ready?
Yes, sir.
Are we ready? What is this writing? See, this is very smart. Chalo. What is the value for p of x at x is equals to 1? I don't think it will be a great deal of thing. P of minus 1 will become 1 plus 3 minus 4, 0? Yes? Or can I say that x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Now, this is not exactly of 3 marks. Now, what is the 0 of this polynomial? Again, one more halwa question.
Minus 3 by 2.
Now, question number 3. Coefficient of x and constant term of this polynomials are this and this respectively. Find its zeros. How will you do that?
Sir, 3 by 5.
How are we going to do that?
Sir, 5x minus 3 equals to 0.
5x minus 3 is equals to 0. Okay? So, what is the 0 over here? Any doubt, anyone? Question number 4 now. Find the product of zeros of the quadratic equation this. What have we asked? Product of zeros. Means What do you have to find out?
That means minus 2 by 3.
Answer is minus 2 by 3. Okay, it's basically C by A. Clear? Product of zeros is given as C by A. Can we do it using using a different method after calculating the roots? Can you verify? Can you tell me the roots of this equation?
So 1 by 3 and minus 2.
1 by 3 and minus 2 are the roots. Therefore, when you multiply this thing again, you are getting the same answer. Hence, verified. Clear? You don't have to verify in exams, don't worry. Now, if fifth degree, question number fifth one, if a fifth degree polynomial is divided by a quadratic polynomial, write the possible degree of the quotient. Very careful. It's the possible degree of quotient they are asking you. Now say.
That 1.
1. 7. If you divide by a quadratic, let's say x square plus 2x, and you divide a fifth degree polynomial, x to the power 5 plus x to the power 3, what will you get? Quotient mein, not the remainder. We'll never get a 1 over here, that's for sure. The possible degree of the quotient can be 7. Why? Agnik?
Sir, I did not say 7.
Who said 7?
That's so much.
Why 7? Quotient they are asking. The answer portion, what will it be? Agnik, how much have you got? You've got?
Sir, 1.
Why 1? Possible degree of the quotient they are asking, not the remainder. Let's say out here x square, x cube, let's say. This will be coming x to the power 5 plus 2x to the power 4.
Sir, quotient is coming 1.
Huh?
And quotient only is coming 1.
The quotient degree is 1.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Sir, because if we suppose x5, x to the power 5 to be a dividend answer, x4 to be the divisor answer, we get the quotient as x. And so that is the degree of 1.
Read the question again. If the fifth degree polynomial is divided by a quadratic polynomial, let's say we take a very small example. Fifth degree quadratic. Yes, no. Yes or no? Fifth degree quadratic. What is the possible remainder over here? Sorry, possible quotient. 3 degree.
Yes, sir. 3 degree. Yes, sir.
Why saying 1 degree, 7 degree? This is not that police station ka 3 degree, okay, don't worry. That you are running away from it. This is 3 degree, normal 3 degree. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now question number 6. What value for k comma minus 4 is the 0 for this polynomial? Acha, what is the value for k if minus 4 is a, यहाँ पे there should be if minus 4 is a 0 of this polynomial. You put x is equals to minus 4. What will you get the value for k?
129.
How much?
Sir, 129.
Again, I feel there is something fishy over here. Put k, x is equals to minus 4 out here. How much will you get? 16 plus 4 plus 2 minus 2k minus 2 equals to 0. 20, 18. I think we'll get 9. This is 20, 18.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
K equals to 9. Who is saying 91? K will be equals to 9. The value for x is 0 over here is minus 4. 9, 10, D, what has happened to you? Now, question number 7. Sum and product of the zeros of the polynomials are this and this respectively. I don't think this is a very difficult ask for you all. Sum and the product has been given. Therefore, x squared minus sum of the product plus minus 3 is equals to 0. You take the LCM and you'll be getting 2x squared plus x minus 3 equals to 0. Clear? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, question number 8 may can we calculate the value for a? Put answer equals to 1, you will get the value for a. In question number 9, the quadratic equation, the sum and the product again is a similar question for question number 7. And question number 10, if this and this are the zeros of this polynomial, find the value for a plus alpha. You take the LCM over here, you'll get alpha minus beta divided by alpha beta. Then you substitute alpha beta over here, you'll get the answer for this. Is it clear? How much is question number 10's answer? How much is the answer for question number 10?
Sir, 3 by 2.
People who could not do all these numericals will try out these numericals once again before the exams comes. Clear? And get ready for the exams properly. That's it for today's class. If anybody has any doubts, you can wait and ask. Elsewise, that's it. Thank you and have a nice day. I'll pause the recording.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.